Yeah, Moo. Why don't you show off how cute you are first? Really? How about you, Daisy? You want to show off how cute you are first? Gonna sniff his butt? That's fine. Alright, I'll get to giving you food. Make the blah sounds. Hello, anyone. Well, welcome to Team Talk. Sorry for waiting like half a minute to actually get here. It's pretty typical for us. So, this is Moo. That's Daisy. She opens cabinets. This is Moo. He flicks his head and chews to the side. Which is... Exactly. She'll usually hit him, so that'll happen at some point. And he'll also throw himself into the refrigerator. It's a routine. Daisy, that's kind of loud. She'll also go around this island, and he'll hit his head here. You know, there's a whole routine we got. Isn't that right? You gotta go up against Papa. There she goes around. Oh, nice tail action, too. That's great. You get some medicine. Oh, nice. Smack him in the face. Perfect. Okay, so far we've checked off almost everything. Is it being mixed in now? Do you have a special bowl because you eat too fast? Yes, yes, yes. Did you agree? You go, yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's beautiful. You two are adorable. Moo, I apologize. He's... Whoa. Daisy goes up. She looks back for a second. Okay, that's just... Oh, that's disgusting. Moo, you eat like a pig. Dog. I feel like dogs eat with more finesse than you do. Ugh. Daisy, I apologize for your brother. He might be trash, but you're treasure, I promise. Moo, you done eating? Still licking chops a bit?